total, I have earned over $100 on this particular survey site. And when you come down here, you can see there are 3 easy steps to start earning on this particular survey site. One is to sign up, and when you come down here, you take surveys and complete offers. You can actually take surveys and offer was on this particular survey site. And I will advise you stay to the end of this video, as I'll be revealing some things that will increase your earnings on this particular survey platform. And the third one over here is to get paid after accumulating your points. You can as well come over here to see available countries that are accessible to this survey site. Okay, so right over here you can see the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and so many other countries that have access to this survey platform. And so right now, this survey website happens to be my #1 right now because it is user friendly and their withdrawals are very fast. And some of us will ask, how much can I earn on platforms like this? So when you come down here, you can see that there are no limits on how much you can earn. Our best members utilize surveys, offers, and games all together and earn up to 1,200 per month. So you can see that on this particular survey platform, you can actually earn 1,200 per month. That is if you're consistent, because the only way you can actually accumulate more points to place withdrawal on this particular survey site is for you to be active daily on this survey site. So it is certain that you can earn up to $1,200 per month on this particular survey site. So I'm going ahead to log in and show you how this platform works, because most people will complain that they are not actually getting the right surveys that suit their own profile. So before I go on, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joachim, and so what I do on this channel is that I show you different ways which you can earn online. And in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. By so doing, you're allowing the YouTube algorithm to push out these videos to more people to see. And so on this new account, I'm not going to be showing you how to take survey because I've done that on several of my videos. I'm just going to be showing you how to maximize your earnings using the same strategy I use to earn instant $100 for myself on the other account. So right now, when you come over to this daily streak, it's going to take you over to this current streak. You can see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. When you gather all this and accumulate till Monday, you can be guaranteed of a large amount of points, which in turn can give you instant amount of money on this particular Heycash. Okay, so once you are able to accumulate this, because this was what actually gave me the exact $100 on my other account. So this is a new account that if I take all this and I'm able to accumulate this, I'll be withdrawing that same amount of money or more. So this is what you can actually do on Heycash. So when you come over here, you can also see that I've completed 5 surveys on this account. So you can see over here that on the 15th of October, I was able to earn 256 points. So these are little points that can actually add up to your earnings. Okay, so when you also come over to this point end, you can see that I've been able to complete all these tasks. And also, one thing I like about Heycash is that once you are disqualified, you'll be given a bonus for attempting that survey. So this is what I just want you to know about this particular survey platform. To register on Heycash, you can actually see the link below the description of this video. Also do well to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. You can find the links below the description on this video. And if you want me to create a detailed video explaining how you can actually create an account on Heycash, you can actually go down the comment box and comment Heycash, and I'll be creating a detailed video on how you can set up an account on Heycash. So thank you for watching this video till this point. If you got value from this video, which I believe you did, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched.